Giving your home a custom look on a budget. Alright, in this quick video we're going to go over 5 ways you can do that. You know, I really like visiting renovated homes and homes that have been fully upgraded. And you know, I've noticed a number of things that are fairly common that you're going to see in a fully upgraded home that kind of make the home pop. It makes it really look nice. So let's just go over a few of those things in this video. So the first thing is, you know, hardware. You know, like new handles, for example, on all your cabinets. You know, cabinet and drawer knobs, you know, that a popular look I notice in a lot of upgraded homes is like the white shaker cabinets with the black you know, drawers, handles. It gives it just a really nice look. You know, you get the handles, it just makes it pop. It's a really nice thing. So that's a fairly inexpensive thing you can do. If you don't want to do the white and black, well, there's plenty of other options. That's just one that I've noticed. You know, go to your local hardware store, you know, cruise around, check out, you know, what they've got and find something you like. And that's something that's not going to be super expensive, but can definitely give your home a real custom look. Okay, now another thing you can do is also crown molding. If you don't have any crown molding, this is what it looks like, and you can install it all kind of shapes, all kind of sizes, you know, from curved to, like, this one's a square one, I've got an example. But you know, crown molding, you know, there's just catalogs of them. So find something that you like. You know, crown molding gives the place kind of a timeless quality, and it really leaves a room with a finished kind of a look. And like I said, it's available in all kinds of shapes and sizes. So that's another thing you can do, put crown molding in a room. Then another thing are the faucets, you know, in your sinks. Again, like when you have like that white and black look, you'll often see, you know, some of these pics are from homes I've been in. So the black ones look really nice, and they're really popular right now. You know, give it a really nice look. And also they have, you know, nice advanced features. Maybe you've got some old faucets in your house. Here's some other ones in the bathroom, you know, more of a chrome look. Again, a very nice look. So that's the third thing you can do, apart from the crown molding, your hardware, and also your faucets. Now another thing that's really good, makes a place pop, is lighting. You know, new lighting fixtures, especially like this is a modern one. I really liked this one when I went into this home. Real fun, you know. So again, you don't have to bust the budget on this, but you know, some of the old lighting that you have in your house, if you replace it, it could just really makes the place look all brand new. Like this is another popular style of, you know, that kind of new lighting, or modern lighting. So you know, that's another thing that can really change the feel of a room really quickly, is modern lighting. So that's a fourth thing. And then finally would be, you know, some paint. So often people think, well, I'm going to slap some new paint in a room, for sure, the same color, but you know, do a couple of different colors. But something to really make your house pop is go for a specific area. What's popular right now and a trend are the front doors. So, you know, like orange or red, or I've noticed a lot of orange around. So, you know, then it becomes, you know, people say, oh, did you see the house, you know, with the orange door on the street? You know, it's just a way, a statement, the way to make your house pop a little more and make it feel a little more custom. So, you know, when you combine all those things together, it's really not going to cost you that much money, and yet it can really change the way, the feel of the house and how it looks and feels for you. Okay, so get into that, you know, hardware cabinets, crown molding, you know, put a little paint on the front door or some other areas, some new faucets and some new modern lighting. Your house is really going to pop and really make you feel like you're living in a more custom home. All right, hey, well, I hope that was helpful, and stay tuned for the next videos. What do you guys think? You know, drop me a comment. Maybe you have some experience, you did something that really made a place feel really much more custom. Let me know, I'd love to hear about it. Meanwhile, wait for the next video, hit the subscribe button, and hey, I appreciate you watching today. All right, thanks very much.